This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs renewal. Pull the bonnet release lever located in the driver's footwell. Press the safety catch under the bonnet to release it. Open the bonnet. Unclip the cover from the rear of the light. Rotate the bulb holder and remove the bulb holder complete with the bulb. Note that this is a twin filament H15 bulb because the main beam incorporates the daytime running light. Pull the bulb straight out from the bulb holder to replace it. Fit the new bulb to the bulb holder, taking care not to touch the glass. If you do, clean it with methylated spirit. Fit the bulb holder to the headlight and turn it clockwise to secure. Refit the cover, making sure the clips are secure. Remove the cover from the rear of the light, releasing the clip if necessary. Remove the bulb holder by turning it anti-clockwise. Pull the bulb straight out of the bulb holder and fit the new bulb, taking care not to touch the glass with your skin. If you do, clean it with methylated spirit. Then fit the bulb holder to the headlight and turn it clockwise to secure. Refit the cover, securing the clip if fitted.